Land where men are strong and hardy, even sons and daughters all. Sing with joy and praises for thee, Bagyang and the land of abundance, fertile place and golden grace, rolling hills and juicy cane, orchards laden with fruits delicious, all the women's hearts true and narrow. We all pray the Lord on high, promise of a bright tomorrow, freedom's light to you belong. All of women's hearts true and mellow, we all pray the Lord on high, promise of a bright tomorrow, freedom's light to you
The name Badyangan is derived from the word Kabadyangan, meaning a place where badyang plants, a type of taro with large leaves, grow abundantly. When Spanish settlers asked the name of the place, natives replied Kabadyangan, which was later shortened to Badyangan. Badyangan was officially established as an independent town on June 17, 1667, a date now celebrated at its foundation. It was originally a barrio before separating from its mother municipality. Significant people and local heroes. Captain Agustin Teodoro, a revered hero of the Philippine-American War, who died fighting in Barangay Tomokol. A monument now stands at the site of his bravery. Founders of blacksmith: Domingo Bolero, Bonifacio Porras, Solomon Collado, and Felipe Amigable are credited with pioneering with the bolo-making industry in Benguean as early as the 18th century. Modern leaders: Attorney Jose A. Mamon, a visionary leader who has served as a mayor, is recognized for promoting the town's culture, heritage, and tourism. Location: situated about 40 kilometers north of Iloilo City, bounded by Haniway southwest, Mina southeast, Pututan east, Dueñas north, and Lambunao northwest. Area: total land area of 750 hectares. Population itself cover 286.38 hectares. Topography: generally gentle, undulating and rolling terrain with elevation ranging from 40 meters to 126 meters above sea level. Mostly agricultural land with few creeks and no major rivers. Economy and livelihood: primarily agricultural with rice and coconut farming as main industries. Other key livelihoods include blacksmithing, bolo making, bamboo craft, and small-scale businesses. Culture: festivals. Pandayan Festival, celebrated every last week of June, honoring the town's rich blacksmithing heritage. It features street dancing, trade fairs, and demonstrations of bolo making. Cuisine: offers classic Ilonggo dishes like lapas, batchoy, inasal, and sinigang, as well as local delicacies. Language: mainly speaks Iligaynon and Kinaraya. Crafts and industries: Benguean Bolo, famous for its durability and craftsmanship, with different types like binakokos, sinuwak, and ginunting for various uses.